The remnants of Beryl are moving northeast now, bringing with it heavy rain. It already slammed into Texas as a Category 1 hurricane yesterday, leaving at least 7 people dead in Texas and at least 1 dead in Louisiana. Power knocked out to millions in 3 states as the storm brought devastating winds and flooding with it. Now, the region must deal with heat alerts as they try to clean up. Beryl also brought 13 reported tornadoes to Texas, Louisiana, and Arkansas.
Now, down there you get that comes through. It's humid as heck. The electricity's out, and that's not going. That heat, it's probably in the 90s in most places.
It is, and they have a heat advisory too, still without power, so you can't cool down with AC. So you just really feel for them. And for us, a heat advisory for today and tomorrow. Temperatures are already in the 90s across portions of the tri-state. It's 88 degrees in Central Park, and we have a mixture of sunshine and clouds. The current AQI is 55. That's in the moderate zone, but the air quality could likely worsen again to unhealthy for sensitive groups, and this is prompting an air quality alert that includes most of the tri-state again. So if you have any respiratory issues, just avoid strenuous outdoor activities. Current numbers ranging from the 70s all the way to the 90s. Bensonhurst 78, Gravesend 88, and Fordham it's 85 for you compared to 90 in Newark and 92 degrees in Wrightstown. But once you factor in the humidity, it feels about 5 to 10 degrees warmer. So it feels like 93 in Central Park, and multiple heat index numbers at or above 100 degrees all across New Jersey. It feels like 98 in Newburgh. These numbers will continue to climb into the 90s, also well over 100 degrees. So we have that heat advisory today and tomorrow. I wouldn't be surprised if that gets extended to Thursday, because we'll have temperatures Thursday again in the upper 80s and the lower 90s. On satellite and radar, skies are quiet. This is after we had a few showers earlier in the morning across the Catskills and the Hudson Valley, but for now, just partly cloudy. We're not done with the rain just yet. There's this stalled front nearby, and that combined with the heating of the day, that could squeeze out an isolated thunder shower this afternoon, but it's not going to be widespread. This is the latest with Beryl. It's now post-tropical, meaning it lost its tropical characteristics, but still bringing down a lot of heavy rain stretching from Missouri all the way towards Ohio. That latest track has it moving across the Great Lakes, so a bit farther to the north. So with that shift to the north, it's going to have less of an influence on us when it comes to the moisture. Our main source of moisture Thursday and Friday will be from onshore flow combining with a cold front. But it will be close enough to give us a little extra wind energy in the atmosphere. That can help to sustain an isolated severe storm tomorrow. There's a marginal risk, level 1 out of 5 for most spots north and west of the city, and a level 2 for Sullivan, Ulster, Dutchess, and parts of Pike County. And the main concern with any of those stronger storms tomorrow will be damaging winds, even an isolated tornado. Looking at futurecast throughout this afternoon, a spot shower or storm could fire up that could linger into the early evening hours overnight, drying out, turning partly to mostly cloudy. And with all this moisture in place, we could wake up again tomorrow to some areas of dense fog. And Wednesday afternoon, a few spotty showers could fire up, especially north and west of the city. As the cold front gets closer late Wednesday night, we'll be watching this line of stronger storms getting closer, and that will likely fizzle out once that gets to the tri-state. But some of that could hold together enough to bring us a few scattered showers just before sunrise on Thursday. And there's a chance for a second round late Thursday afternoon. But today, hot and humid. Temperatures in the 90s. It's going to feel even hotter. A late day shower is possible tonight. We only get down to 77 degrees, so not even getting a lot of relief throughout the overnight hours. Tomorrow, a similar setup, the upper 80s, lower 90s. Notice Thursday near 90 degrees. And then Friday, that's really the only day that we cool down a tad bit, 84. It still stays humid, but at least we'll have more showers around. 83 on Saturday. Back to the 90s Sunday and Monday.
We got this.
July.
Yeah.
Summer. Thank you. Still to come, did retail giant Walmart deliberately deceive shoppers with the prices? Wait until you hear the accusations in a new class action lawsuit.
And the big change that could soon be coming to hotel bathrooms across New York State.